How do I look? See that wind blowing? Do I look sexy? Hey, Daddy. Yo, what's up? It's your girl, Andrea Nicole, and today I am doing a wig unboxing. I just picked up a wig at my local beauty supply. So you know it's on and popping. I'm lit about this wig because honestly, I was gonna do like a sew-in or make a wig or something, but I just got lazy. So I just ran to my beauty supply like I always do when I get lazy and pick up a wig. I'm sorry if y'all hear some noise in the background. It's my fan. It's hot as ass up in here, and it's hot. So I'm sorry if it's making too much noise, but a girl got to stay cool, okay? Because I can't be sweating now. I can't be getting all hot and sweaty. But anyways, on to the video. The wig I picked up, and I did try the wig on inside the beauty supply, of course, but I did not take it out my package. So the wig that I got is this Bobbi Boss lace front premium synthetic wig, and it looks like this, but it's in the color, what's that color? 99J. So it's a burgundy color. Let me turn it down. Yeah, so open it. You already know how the wigs come, right? It's not that big of a deal, right? Cut the lace, of course. Y'all, and this is a 360 wig, so yes, your girl is lit. Okay, I didn't even find out until I told the lady I wanted to buy the wig, and then she said, oh, it's 360, and I was like, what? And y'all, this wig was only $40, so I'm gonna find a link online. Y'all know it's cheaper online than going to beauty supply. So I put it on this ring right there. You know, if I'm not a big head. Boom, shaka laka laka, boom, shaka laka laka. Oh my god. Yes. This is perfect. Okay. So I'm brushing her out because she needs to be brushed out, and it's this wavy texture. So honestly, y'all, I was trying to get a burgundy wig in this color, like a bob, but because it's hot outside, I could not find anything. So I just went ahead and got this because I like the texture of it. It's real cute. As you can see, it definitely blows in the wind. Yeah. This is her. Now I'm going to go ahead and pluck this part, make it a little bit wider, put some concealer in it, and then also I have my wine curler already on, and I'm just going to lay her down a little bit. So y'all just stay tuned and watch the magic happen, really. Okay, so, and that's all I'm doing to this wig. I'm not laying it down with no any got-to-be or anything like that, because honestly, I'm taking this thing right back off. It's hot as hell, and yeah. I just wanted to show this quick unboxing, so y'all can be more tuned into my hair, because I really been slacking on these unboxings. I guess I can give you some specs. Like it's hard to like really give a review on hair that just came out the box, because it hasn't been through anything. So I can't really say if it's a good wig or not, but from the looks of it, I mean, I would think so. The luster is pretty good. It's not too shiny, but it is a little bit more shiny than virgin hair, of course. And the hair is really soft. Brushing it through, this is how much hair I got. But there's no, well now it's tangled, but it's no like, when I rub my hands through it, plus the wind is blowing too, well the fan is making my hair blow, so that could be part of the reason why it's tangling right now. But yeah, I mean, I really can't give a whole review on the hair, because I just unboxed it and I don't feel like that would be fair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Oh, let me show y'all something else I picked up from the beauty salon. These, tell me these are not cute. Like, these are only $12, okay? So I'm gonna try to find this brand and link it down below if I can find it on the internet somewhere. But yes, these things is bomb. Like, do y'all not see that? It's rose gold. I was gonna get the black. I'm gonna go back and get the black and multicolor, because they're only $12, so why not? And I figured it would go cute with anything that I wear, because I always wear gold. And yeah, so alright, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and go ahead and thumbs up this video because you watched it to the end, and why not? I mean, come on, why not? And yeah, follow me on my social media. Alright, bye.